Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the audio to your clip in CapCut PC. It's super simple. You can go to audio and you can select music available here. You can add the sound effect. You can add the audio from extracted a video, and you can also add TikTok sound. Just link to your TikTok account. So, for example, select your video and go to audio and select the music available here. Just download and add to the track. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.